Every storm eventually runs out of rain. Stay patient, your sunshine is coming.
Success is not measured by what you accomplish, but by the opposition you encounter to get there. Hold on.
Your mistakes are just lessons in disguise. Pick up the wisdom and move on.
Make today count. Even small wins matter.
Don't let your fears make your decisions for you. You are the one holding the wheel of this life. Character is built in the valleys, not on the peaks. Keep your head up and your heart strong. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the conviction that something else is more important.
You can pause. Nothing is chasing you.
Your mind creates stories. Your awareness sees reality.
Success is buried under a pile of failures. Keep digging until you find it.
Your inner world creates your outer experience.
Your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth.
Success is a lonely road, but the view at the top is worth every solitary step.
Even the smallest flower can break through concrete. You too are capable of anything.
If you fall, I'll cheer you when you stand back up.
You are safe in this room.
Consistency beats intensity every time.
Rest is productive. Your soul needs time to catch up with your body.
Champions aren't made in the gyms. They are made from something deep inside them.
Be the person you needed when you were younger. You have so much wisdom to share.
Did you see my muscles? It's because I want to be strong to help you carry your worries.
You are constantly becoming who you are meant to be.
Don't raise your voice. Improve your argument. Strength lies in clarity, not volume.
Stop shrinking to fit places you've outgrown.
You are a masterpiece and a work in progress, all at the same time. Enjoy the journey.
Every day is a second chance. Don't waste it looking at yesterday.
If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Find people who push you higher.
You're my example of courage. You are not separate from the whole.
A real man protects his family, his peace, and his purpose. Stay focused on your mission.
Elegance starts in the mind. Be noble in your thoughts and your actions will follow.
Results don't care about your feelings. They only care about your effort. Give it your all.
I believe in you more than anybody else in the whole universe.
You are allowed to grow beyond who you used to be.
Peace is a practice, not a destination. Nothing is threatening you right now. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Focus on your own progress.
Your system can feel protected.
Silence reveals what distraction hides.
No one is you. And that is your superpower. Don't waste time trying to be a copy.
Every ending carries the seed of another beginning.
You are allowed to rest deeply.
Your presence is a gift to this family. Never doubt how much we need you.
Fear shrinks in the light of awareness.